Pain is power. Most people are addicted to the shortcut, to the easy way out, to the promise of results without the reality of sacrifice, but not you. Because you've seen what shortcuts do. They rob you of depth, of character, of strength. If there's one truth you must learn early in life, it's this. The struggle is not your enemy. It is your initiation. It's the fire that burns away the weakness and reveals the warrior beneath. Struggle slows you down, but in that slow burn, you learn how to breathe under pressure. You learn how to think when it hurts. You learn how to move forward, even when everything around you says, stop. Pain is not a punishment. It's a signal, a call, a message from life. Wake up, grow up, level up. You see, shortcuts give you results, but no roots. And when the storm comes, everything you built, it breaks. But struggle teaches you how to stand, how to hold on, how to rebuild. Every champion you admire was once broken, was once tired, but they didn't run from the pain. They stayed, they wrestled with it, they walked through it until they turned it into power. And now it's your turn to stop hiding, to stop waiting for perfect conditions, to stop chasing comfort. Because comfort never made anyone legendary, only the struggle does. Start waking up earlier. Start saying no to distraction. Start walking into the fire instead of around it. You don't need to fear the hard days. They are your training ground. They're molding your mind, tempering your soul, building your backbone. The world remembers those who endured, not those who escaped. You weren't born to be soft. You were born to rise. So embrace the struggle, not the shortcut, because struggle is where the weak are broken and the powerful are born. This is your path. This is your test. And this is your rise. Turn every wound into wisdom. There are wounds inside you that no one sees, scars that you don't talk about, memories that still sting, even when you smile. And maybe you've asked yourself, why did I have to go through that? Why me? Why this pain? But what if that pain wasn't just there to break you, but to build you? What if every wound held a lesson the world couldn't teach? You see, the world will applaud your success, but it's your wounds that will shape your wisdom. There's a power in pain that comfort can never give. Pain makes you question. It forces you to reflect. It strips away your ego and reveals the truth. Some people get hurt and stay broken. Others, they rise, not in spite of the pain, but because of it. They study their scars, they listen to the pain, and they turn every injury into insight, every fall into fuel, every heartbreak into hunger. If you keep running from your pain, you'll keep repeating it. But if you face it, feel it, and learn from it, you'll never suffer the same way again. You want power? Then stop hiding from the wounds. Open them. Bleed if you have to. But make sure that pain teaches you. Make sure it pushes you higher. Because wisdom isn't found in books. It's found in nights you cried alone, in people who betrayed you, in dreams that collapsed and still didn't kill your spirit. You are not the pain. You are the person who survived it. And that survivor knows things no comfortable man will ever understand. So take your wounds. Don't hide them. Wear them like armor, like truth, like proof that you've walked through fire and came out wiser. Turn every wound into wisdom. Turn every scar into strategy. Turn every fall into fuel. Your pain has a purpose. Find it, use it, and rise.